Hello everyone. Today we will be solving question number 1, sum number 2 from exercise 7. Here we have to find the remainder in the following. Now equation given is 3x cube plus 2x square minus 5x plus 17, which is divided by x plus 3. First we will find directly without using remainder theorem. So here the divisor is x plus 3, that is equal to 0 we will consider. So the value of x becomes minus 3. When 3 goes here, it becomes minus 3. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. So whatever equation is given, we are going to substitute minus 3. हम minus 3 substitute करेंगे equation में x के जगह पर in place of x. So here 3 x का minus 3 cube plus 2 minus 3x square minus 5 minus 3 plus 17. Now 3 into, what is the cube of 3? It's 27, and being a cube, it's going to be a minus sign. Now here 3 square is 9. This will become plus. 5 3s becomes 15. But minus into minus, here it will become plus. Okay. Now let's solve. 27 3s is 81. Plus into minus is minus. Plus 9 2s is 18. We'll solve all the multiplications first according to Brodbus method. Either we can add or subtract. We can keep this minus 81 as it is. Now we may add this. Prepare a rough column and add 18 plus 15 plus 17. So this becomes 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 5 plus 5 10 plus 2 12 12 plus 8 20 2 3 4 5. Sorry, let's check. 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Yes, 2 3 4 5 50. Now here minus and plus is minus. So even if we do 81 minus 50, this becomes 31. Now plus and minus becomes minus, sign of bigger number, that is 81, that is minus. So we got minus 31. Now let's check by remainder theorem that our remainder is coming minus 31 or not. So what is the given equation? Given equation, our divisor is x plus 3 and dividend is 3x cube plus 2x square minus 5x plus 17. Now as we did in the previous sum, we are going to do the same. We want 3 here. This is 1. 1 3 is 3. Here we want x cube. We have one x already, so this will be x square. Plus into plus is plus, so 3x square. Now 3 3 is 9x square. Original minus sign. So this was plus becomes minus, this was plus becomes minus. This gets cancelled off. 2 minus 9 becomes 7. Sign of greater number means minus 7x square. Copy down the whole equation, remaining equation. Again we want here 7x square, minus that also we want minus, so it will be minus 7, because 1 7 is 7, plus into minus is minus. We have x, so we want one more x. So now it has become minus 7x square. 7 3s are 21, and this x, 1 into x is x. Original minus sign outside, this becomes plus, this becomes plus, this and this gets cancelled off. Now here minus 5 plus 21, minus and plus becomes minus, and plus becomes minus. So we are going to deduce. This becomes 16x, and sign of bigger number means plus will come. Here we want 16x, so here we will take plus 16. X we already have, so 16 into x becomes 16x. 16 3s are, now 16 3s are, you don't know, you may multiply. Plus into plus becomes plus. +48. Original minus sign, this becomes minus, this becomes minus. Now here this gets cancelled off. 48 minus 17 becomes 31. Sign of bigger number, that is 48, that is minus 1. So this answer calculated is similar to the one we calculated directly. So this was question number 1, sum number 2nd. Now we will move to next sum. Third sum says 4x cube minus 8x square minus x plus 9 is divided by 2x minus 1. Again we'll find directly and then we'll find by remainder method. Now here 2x minus 1 is our divisor, that is equivalent to 0. Now if we take 2x here and 1 here, it becomes minus 1 will become plus 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. So the value of x we got is half. So in place of x we are going to substitute half. So what is our equation? 4x cube minus 8x square minus x plus 9. So now x, 4 into half cube minus 8 half square minus half. In place of x we will put half plus 9. Now 4 into 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. Now here 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, directly we can cancel. This becomes half minus, this again becomes 2, this again becomes half plus 9. This will be equal to 0. We have to put this half and this half will get cancelled as these are opposite signs. Minus 2 and plus 9 becomes 7, plus minus becomes minus, sign of greater number, that is 9. So we have got the answer as 7. So our remainder should be 7. Now let's check using remainder theorem. So our divisor is 2x minus 1 and dividend is 4x cube minus 8x square minus x plus 9. Now let's solve. Here is 4. 2 2s becomes 4. We want x cube. Here is x, so this becomes x square. So 2 2s becomes 4x cube minus this all are plus, minus 2 1s becomes 2 and x square, plus into minus becomes minus. So 2 1s are 2x square, minus sign, this was plus converts into minus, this was minus converts into plus. So this becomes, this gets cancelled off, this becomes minus 8 plus 2 becomes 6x square, plus minus becomes minus, sign of bigger number, that is 8, minus sign. Now we want 6x square, so 2 3s are come 6, here minus 6x square we want, so minus, तो हम लिखेंगे 3x स्क्वायर है, हमारे पास x है, so we'll add one more x over here. So 3 2s are becomes 6, minus into plus becomes minus, 3 1s are becomes 3, minus minus क्या होता है प्लस, minus into minus is plus, again take a sign which is minus, which is common outside, ये sign change होगा, this becomes plus, this again becomes minus. So again this gets cancelled off, minus minus is plus, minus 3 minus 1 is 4x, but sign will remain minus, plus 9 तो नीचे लेकर आया. Here we want 4x, हमारे पास x है 2 है, so 2 2s are 4, but we want minus, so minus 2, 2 2s are 4, plus into minus becomes minus, so this is minus 4x, and 2 1s are 2, minus into minus plus, take the minus sign which is common outside, this becomes plus, this becomes again minus, this gets cancelled off, 9 minus 2 is 7. So this answer tallies to the answer which we found directly. Now we will proceed to the last sum of question 1. Dividend given is 8x cube plus 6x square minus 5x minus 3 and is divided by 2x plus 3. Let's find directly first. 2x plus 3 is the divisor. 2x will keep as it is. When this plus 3 shifts here, this becomes minus 3. So what is x here? It is multiplied. 2 will get here divided. So we'll substitute the value of x is equal to minus 3 by 2 in our equation or in our divisor. So what is our divisor given? 8x cube plus 3x square minus 5x minus 3. In place of x हम substitute करने वाले minus 3 by 2. We are going to substitute minus 3 by 2. Eight into minus 3 by 2 the whole cube plus 6 into minus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 5 minus 3 by 2 minus 3. 3 का क्यूब है 27, 2 क्यूब है 8, minus 3 square is minus 3 square is 9 upon 4, 5 3 5 3 is 15, minus into minus is plus upon 2 minus 3. Now here this 8 and this 8 gets cancelled. It becomes minus 27. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 9 3s are 27 upon 2 plus 15 upon 2 minus 3. Now we'll solve these two and we'll add these two. Minus minus becomes plus. So 20 minus 27 minus 3 become 30. Sign minus minus will be plus, but sign remains minus. Plus, nowadays LCMs are the same. So 27 plus 15, it becomes 7 plus 5 plus 7 becomes 12. 1 2 3 and 4. 42 upon 2 minus, sorry, 42 upon 2. We have added these. So 2 1s are 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So we are with minus 30 plus 21. Now what is minus 30 plus 21? This is minus 9. Sign of bigger number. Plus minus becomes minus, sign of bigger number. Now let's see for the remainder theorem method. Let's check out. हमारा डिवाइजर क्या है? What is our divisor? 2x minus, sorry, 2x plus 3, and our dividend is 8x cube plus 6x square minus 5x minus 3. We want here 8. 2 table, 2 4s is 8. X cube, we have x1, 1x, so this will be 2. So x into x square will be x cube. 8x cube. 4 3s is 12. 4 3s is 12x square. Minus sign outside. This will turn into minus. Opposite signs get cancelled. Plus minus gets cancelled. And this becomes minus. So this is again 6. Sign of bigger number, that is minus. Again here 3, we want 3, so minus, sorry, we want 6x square. 2 3s is 6 and we want minus, so minus sign. X square we want, we have 1x and we want one more x, so now it becomes 3 to the 6 minus 6x square. 3 3s are 9. Plus into minus becomes minus, so minus 9x. ओरिजिनल माइनस साइन, ये प्लस हो जाएगा, ये प्लस हो जाएगा. So this and this gets cancelled off. Now plus 9 and minus 5, plus and minus becomes minus, but sign of bigger number, so this will be 4x minus 3. So now we want 4. 2 stable, 4, and x we already have, and we want plus, so 2 2s are 4. This becomes 4x. 3 2s are 6. ये प्लस इंटू प्लस होगा, प्लस ही होगा. दिस विल टेक माइनस कॉमन साइन. दिस बिकम्स प्लस था तो माइनस होगा, प्लस था तो माइनस होगा. सो दिस एंड दिस गेट्स कैंसल्ड ऑफ. minus minus becomes plus, but sign will become minus. minus 6 minus 3 minus 9 होगा. So this answer and the answer we found directly tallies. So this was all about question number 1 from exercise 7. Thank you.